take off. Going to Destin. Say hi. There's Penny and my dad and my husband. We are finally in our rental car and heading over to the premium outlets to meet up with our family members because our rental house is not ready until 4 p.m. and it's only, what time is it? 12? Not even. So we have a few hours to kill. Where's Penny? Hi Penny, say hi.
Right out of here. It's about a block down the street from what's There's also Cracker Barrel around here too. I never had that. You never had Cracker Barrel?
Anyone up here? Want a Modelo?
Just had dinner and we are walking to the beach to catch the sunset. All right, let's see how. Oh, there's a path over there. Oh, so pretty. Penny, you see the water?
It's very white sand.
Oh, remember how powdery it was?
Get down?
We're here on the beach. Abby, you want to take your shoes off and run? Finally made it to the beach. Hi guys! Hi! Hey guys, this is our first official full day here in Destin, Florida. We're staying actually in the Miramar area. And I was about to head out to go to Walmart to get some stuff, some extra groceries, but I thought I'd pop in and do a little bit of a update. We're all pretty much settled in. We had an amazing beach day today and pool day as well. We're all pretty pooped out. Penny is upstairs napping, and yeah, I was about to go out and get some coffee, iced coffee, because I need some caffeine in me before heading out to Walmart. But might as well give you like a little tour of our rental home. So let me show you the outside first. So this is like the deck area once you step out. And that is our pool. It's super nice. The water feels amazing. This is like our deck area. Maybe we can eat out here tomorrow. There's another little seating area here. Take it down. It's a little tour. There's a grill here, bathroom in the back, but here is our pool. The girls are having so much fun here. There's all of our floaties and all the things that we're trying to dry up right now. Here's my hat, sunglasses. Oh yeah, and that's the garage, car tent. This is the entrance, and once you enter, we have my husband, and this is like a little bonus room, and it has a little kitchen, like a full kitchen. It's nice, a little bar here, and then this sofa, it actually turns into a queen size bed. Nice TV, and once you come over here, we have 2 bedrooms. This one is being used by my aunt and uncle. And this is an extra room here with bunk beds. Bathroom. The shower. And I believe this is the garage, and it has a ping pong table. We need to actually get some ping pong balls because it only has the things. Washer dryer. That's the first floor. Once you come up, we have the main living area. Hi, Evie. My baby's watching Bluey. Big kitchen. Big table, bathroom, and that's the area to go to the pool, like I showed you before. And this is the little balcony area off the main living space. And then on the 3rd floor, or 2nd floor as they call it, we have more rooms, but I'll show you that next time because my daughter's sleeping. Here is a little outfit of the day. I'm wearing a very loose, flowy shirt, my crossbody bag from Uniqlo, my airy shorts that feel amazing, and I'm going to be wearing my Chloe slippers later. But yeah, I have some like tinted moisturizer sunscreen on, and just put my hair up in a nice bun. So that's my OOTD. Stopping by for some coffee. Got a vanilla iced latte. So good. Today at Merlin's.
Arrived.
The clouds look ominous. Look at the sky. Look at the clouds over there. Crazy. Just picked up our pizzas from Merlin's. It was super highly rated, so I wanted to check it out. It's a local pizzeria. We got some chicken wings for the fam. Can't wait to eat.
It's gonna be right.
Got some wings. Your eye? Come here. Another beautiful day at the beach. Girls and I and my mom are at the beach. Everyone else went fishing today for the majority of the day, so we packed up and we're here at the beach enjoying the day, and we're going hi and we're going to go to the pool later. You want to say hi, Penny? So nice out today.
Oh, he's still breathing. Don't touch it. You're gonna get hurt, okay?
Oh, it's still breathing.
Daddy caught it.
No, Uncle Dan caught this one, that one.
I caught 12 of them.
Yeah, Uncle Dan caught a lot.
Oh, really? Where's Evie?
Everybody, come here.